Ever dreamt of running your own online store? Imagine the thrill of sales notifications, the satisfaction of happy customers, and the freedom of being your own boss. Let me unravel the secrets of setting up a successful eBay store and ensuring seamless transactions with PayPal. Selling on eBay is straightforward, but mastering it? That's where the real success lies. Let's dive in and set up your store right. Okay, let's get real for a moment. The world of retail? It's shifting. And if you're not on the online train, you're missing out on a massive opportunity. Think about it. Traditional brick-and-mortar stores, they've got limitations. Rent, utilities, and don't even get me started on store hours. But with eBay, you're breaking those chains. Now, I'm not just talking about the obvious, like 24/7 availability. That's a given. I'm talking about the power of scalability. With a physical store, there's a cap on how many people can walk through your doors in a day. Online, the sky's the limit. And with over 169 million active users on eBay, that's a lot of potential foot traffic. The overhead for an online shop? A fraction of a physical store. No more hefty rent checks or battling with landlords. It's lean, it's mean, and it's ready for growth. All right, diving into eBay, let's get you set up. First things first, you need an account. It's your passport to the vast world of online selling. Head to eBay's homepage. See that register link at the top? Click it. A form pops up asking for the basics. Email, a password, make it a strong one, and your name. Fill those in. It's straightforward, no frills. Hit register and you're almost in the club. But hang tight, eBay's going to send you a confirmation email. It's their way of ensuring it's really you. Open that email, click the link, and there you have it, you're in. Now, with your account set up, you got a front row seat to eBay's bustling marketplace. But a word of advice, take a moment to familiarize yourself with eBay's policies. When you're navigating through listings, you're faced with two distinct choices: buying at a set price or diving into the adrenaline-pumping realm of bidding. That set price? It's straightforward, no surprises. But bidding? That's where strategy and patience come into play. And it's not just about getting an item, it's about the chase. But here's a nugget of wisdom. Before you venture into selling, immerse yourself in the buying process. Knowing the intricacies of buying equips you with invaluable insights when you're the one listing the items. It's like getting a sneak peek into the buyer's mind. Now, onto the nitty-gritty of selling. It's not just about putting up a listing and watching the magic happen. Every sale comes with its associated fees. Whether it's a percentage of the sale or a flat monthly rate, these are the cost of doing business on a platform that connects you to the vast marketplace. Also, don't forget to like this video, share this video, subscribe to my channel. That way you don't miss any updates to the channel. And please check out our other cool videos on this channel. Scored that rare item on eBay? Great! Now, the transaction. eBay offers a range of payment methods, from credit cards to Apple Pay. But here's the game changer: PayPal. It's the heavyweight champion in eBay transactions. Why? Security. For buyers, it's a safety net. Item not as described? PayPal steps in. For sellers, it's a trust badge, making buyers more confident. But no free lunches here. Using eBay means navigating its fees. From insertion to final value fees, it's all part of the game. eBay's dynamo isn't just its auctions, it's the buzzing community behind it. Ever noticed top sellers always in the limelight? It's not just their inventory, it's their deep dive into the community. Engaging just isn't about queries. It's a dance of learning, sharing, and sometimes leading the waltz. The heart of it all? eBay's forums, a goldmine of insights. From the latest trends to age-old tricks, whether you're troubleshooting, celebrating a win, or just absorbing, it's the place to be. And if you're hungry for the daily eBay lowdown, the community news is your go-to. Updates, success tales, tips, and more. It's eBay in a nutshell, served fresh daily. eBay operates with clear-cut rules to ensure a fair marketplace. Key policies include the item description. Sellers must be accurate and transparent. There's a list of prohibited and restricted items. Not everything's up for grabs. Intellectual property is guarded fiercely. No selling knockoffs. And for buyers, if you win a bid, you're expected to pay. Lost? eBay's A to Z policy library is your guide. You're scrolling through listings, and one catches your eye. What made it stand out? Often, it's the visuals. Quality photos aren't just a recommendation, they're a necessity. A clear, well-lit image can speak 1,000 words, drawing potential buyers into your listing. But don't stop there. Accompany those stellar photos with detailed product descriptions. Paint a vivid picture of the item, its condition, and its story. Remember, buyers aren't just purchasing a product, they're investing in an experience. But here's the million-dollar question: auction or fixed price? Auctions can be thrilling, creating a sense of urgency and competition. They can also yield you higher profits if demand is high. On the other hand, fixed-priced listings offer certainty. You set your price, and buyers know what to expect. It's all about understanding your product and your audience. Now, once that sale is secured, the real work begins. Packaging and shipping are more than just logistical steps. They're an extension of the buyer's experience. Ensure items are securely packed, and consider adding a personal touch, a thank you note perhaps. And always be clear about your return and refund policy. Transparency builds trust. Using PayPal for your business. Imagine a world where business transactions are as seamless as breathing. Enter PayPal. It's not just a digital wallet, it's a business titan. You're looking at two primary account types: personal for those impulse online buys, and business, crafted specifically for the entrepreneurial spirit. Setting up a business account with PayPal? Think of it as setting up your email. Straightforward and efficient. Say goodbye to mountains of paperwork and endless bank queues. Here's a nugget of wisdom. With PayPal, you can bypass the traditional merchant account. It's not only cost-effective, but often leaves other online payment methods in the dust regarding fees. Got a stack of invoices? PayPal's system is a lifesaver. And if you're sweating about software compatibility, take a breather. PayPal integrates like a dream with a plethora of shopping cart software. But life's not all high fives and fist bumps. There are hurdles like chargebacks that can sting. And while PayPal's services stretch far and wide, it's crucial to be aware of its usage restrictions. A heads up, some users have flagged customer service challenges, so arm yourself with knowledge. Venturing deeper into the business accounts, the standard option is a golden ticket, letting you accept an array of payments and broadening your customer reach. With cyber threats lurking, PayPal's top-tier security ensures every penny is safe. When customers are at the PayPal checkout crossroads, they're met with a buffet of payment options, making their journey smooth. Here's a gem. PayPal ensures customers stay glued to your site during payment, slashing the chance of drop-offs. And for businesses with their eyes on the prize, PayPal Payment Pro is the answer. It's like giving your payment gateway a shot of adrenaline, boosting enhanced flexibility, customization, and the future-forward mobile payments via QR codes. Dive into PayPal's treasure trove, and you'll find tools tailored for every business flavor. For the no-nonsense PayPal checkout to the all-rounder payment standard. And for the connoisseurs, Payment Pro stands tall as the piece de resistance. In the digital dance of commerce, platforms like eBay and PayPal are your partners, leading with rhythm and reliability. As we close this chapter, remember, success isn't just about transactions. It's about trust, strategy, and staying informed. Here's to your next successful sale and seamless payment. Also, don't forget to like this video, share this video, subscribe to my channel. That way you don't miss any updates to the channel. And please check out our other cool videos on this channel as well.